Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great there, just like me. My name is Soga Thapa and I'll be teaching you compulsory maths. So before I start, I would like to show you some pictures. So the first picture is of books. The second picture is of fishes. And the third one is of flowers. So between all of these pictures, is there anything in common? Yes. One thing in common between all of them is that they are in group or set. And yes, our new topic is sets. So what exactly a set means? A set can be formed of anything that can be well defined or distinct. So what does well defined or distinct mean? For an example, a set of numbers from 1 to 10, is it well defined? Yes, it is, because we can list down all the elements from 1 to 10 and hence it is a set. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What about a set of smart students and a set of beautiful people? Can we list them all? No, we cannot list them and hence it is not a set. Because the reason is, smart and beautiful cannot be defined and measured. They are relative terms. Your meaning of smartness and beautiful could be different to mine and mine could be different to the other and hence it is not a set. Another example is a set of letters that comes after T. Is it well defined? It is well defined because we can list down all the elements of the set. They are U, V, W, X, Y, Z and hence it is a set. So a group of something that can be well defined and distinct is a set. Zones of Nepal, is it a set? Yes, it is because there are 14 zones, we all know that and we can list them all. What about strong students in a class? Is it a set? It is not a set because strong again here is a relative term and it is not well defined. Your meaning of strong could be different to mine and mine could be different to the other and hence it is not well defined. Students who have secured A+ in class 6. Yes, it is a set because we can list them all. Collection of great people in the world. Is it a set? No, because here great is a relative term and it is not well defined. And what are the rules for writing a set? The first rule is sets are denoted by capital letters and elements are denoted by small letters. For an example, capital A is the name of the set and small ABC are the elements of the set. The second rule, the elements of set are separated by commas as you can see in the example as well. The third rule, the elements are enclosed by curly brackets which you can also see in the example. So how can a set can be represented or how can a set be represented? Sets are basically represented in three methods. They are describing method, listing method or roster method, rule method or set builder method. Describing method. It is simply a method in which we just describe what the set is in general. For an example, a set of odd numbers less than 10, a set of vowel letters, a set of first 2 months. So in this method, we simply describe what the set is and what it actually means. And in our second method, which is listing or roster method, here we just list down the elements of the set. For an example, a set of odd numbers less than 10 are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 with commas and curly bracket on. Another set is A, E, I, O, U with commas and curly brackets on. So it is vowel letters and we have listed all the elements here. And in the next set, we have January, February with comma and curly bracket on, which means first 2 months. Here, capital A, capital B, capital C denotes the names of the set, and the things inside the brackets denotes the elements of the set. And in our third method, which is rule or set builder method, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is an listing method, and it is odd numbers less than 10. So how are we supposed to write this down in set builder method? It is written like this: x colon x less than 10 comma x belongs to O. O means odd numbers, E means even numbers, P means prime numbers, and C means composite numbers. So then how is it said? It is said like x is such that x is less than 10 and x belongs to odd numbers. This is how it is said. Second one, A, E, I, O, U. It is in listing method and it is vowel letters. So how is it written in set builder method? It is written like x is such that x is a vowel letter. The next one, January comma February with curly brackets on. It is in listing method and it is the first 2 months. So how is it written in set builder method? It is written like x is such that x is the first 2 name of the month. Okay, points to be remembered. A set of letters in the word school. So if you write down SCHOOL with commas and brackets on, is it right? No, I'm afraid it's not right. So if we write down like SCHOL with commas and brackets on, is it right? Yes, it is right. The reason is elements cannot be repeated. In the first set, we have repeated O twice. And in the second set, we have not repeated any elements. So that is the reason the first set is incorrect and the second set is correct. So elements cannot be repeated. So to summarize, a collection of well-defined objects is called set. Methods of representation. Describing method, a set of vowel letters. Listing method, A, E, I, O, U with commas and brackets on. Rule or set builder method, x is such that x is a vowel letter. And in our next class, we will be learning about types of sets and Venn diagram. So before I end my session for today, I would like to end it by a mathematical thought of the day, which goes like, maths may not only teach us to add or subtract, it also gives us hope that every problem has a solution. So before I go, I would like to thank you all for joining this class, and if there is any confusion and if there is anything I need to improve, please feel free to comment down below and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.